Ready to transform your kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is your secret weapon for delicious, effortless meals. This incredible device isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, and so much more, all in one sleek appliance. With 9-in-1 functionality and 15 customizable smart programs, you can whip up everything from perfectly cooked rice to tender roasts with just a touch. Seriously, imagine making chili or cake in minutes, all precisely timed for perfect results every time. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthy cooking and super easy cleanup. No more scrubbing burnt food. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances or searching for the best pressure cooker review for 2025, the Duo Plus stands out for its versatility and reliability. It truly streamlines your cooking process, saving you time and counter space, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. If you're ready to experience cooking made simple, find the best deal on your Instant Pot Duo Plus by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. This isn't just an appliance, it's an investment in quicker dinners and healthier eating for your whole family. Grab the Instant Pot Duo Plus today. It's definitely our top kitchen recommendation for 2025.